How to follow someone on BiliBili. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to keep up with creators on BiliBili, following them is very easy. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in bilibili.tv and get to the official website. Or you can also open up the BiliBili app first. Now, once you're logged into your BiliBili account, go to the search bar at the top and type in the name of the user to open up their profile. After searching for their name, go ahead and find the creator or the person you want to follow. Click on their name. You can also go to the Creator tab at the top of the screen and find the creators you can follow. And now, click the follow button right next to the creator you want to follow. After following them, you'll be able to see this following tab right next to their name. It'll turn into following instantly. Now go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right and select My Profile. And under following, you'll be able to see all the people that you've followed. So that's it. Now you can follow your favorite creators on BiliBili and never miss their latest uploads again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.